Run. Run.
I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I broke.
Oh no! Go out? Yes. Can you say LeBron James? Can you say Hakuna Matata? Can you say Lucy Goosey?
Alright, handsome dad. Since this is your puppy, your son, we thought it's only fair that you get to name him. So what do you think? Are you ready to name your son? Okay, let's do this. We have 3 names here: Cooper, Tanner, and Todd. So you have to click the button on the one you want the most. You ready? Ding! Really? Is that the name you want? Are you sure? You're positive? You're positive? Okay. That's his name then. Todd Budson it is.
Oh, feed him, Sana. Oh, feed him, Sana. Hey, oh, feed him, Sana. Oh, oh. Ah, feed him, Sana. Oh, feed him, Sana. Oh, feed him, Sana. Whoop, oh, feed him, Sana. Oh, feed him, Sana.
Truly great friends are hard to find, difficult to leave, and impossible to forget.